Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build an online Indeed resume on the Indeed jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on Profile. Here you should click on the Indeed Resume button. Here you can find the overview, so you can set your personal information by tapping on this pencil button on the right side of the screen, including your name, headline, phone number. As you scroll down, you can also add your email address, your location, including your country, street address, postal code, city and state. As you go back to the previous page, you can add personal information, work experience by tapping on the plus icon. You can type in your job title, name of your company, your country, city. You can indicate if you are currently working here, or if you have if you're not currently working at the company, then you can indicate the time period in the description. Then you can also add your education, including the level, field of study, school name, and the time period. And as you go back, you can also add skills. Here you can edit the ones that you have already added to this section. Certifications and licenses can also be inserted by clicking on the plus icon and typing them into these boxes. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.